Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Snow has fallen close to the Queensland border as a polar blast brings icy temperatures and heavy rain to the eastern states. Snowfall was recorded at Tenterfield, in northern NSW, overnight, just 25 kilometers away from the border of the Sunshine State. Possible light snow flurries are forecast across the Granite Belt region of southern Queensland on Tuesday through to Thursday. Weather Zone explained a cold air mass originating in Antarctic waters was to blame for the sub-zero temperatures sweeping the eastern states. The chilly air will be accompanied by showers which could fall as snow on high ground above about 1,000 meters. These cold conditions will bring cool days, frosty mornings and possible snow flurries for parts of NSW, inland Queensland, Victoria and Tasmania as well. Victoria has the added threat of floods after heavy rain fell in parts of the state with a severe weather warning issued for the northeast. The Bureau of Meteorology senior meteorologist Miriam Bradbury said temperatures had been colder than usual across central and eastern parts of Australia. Ms. Bradbury said forecast maximums will be up to 8 degrees below average, with Canberra struggling to push into the double digits. On Wednesday, our overnight temperatures will drop fairly low through these inland parts of the east and central Australia, Ms. Bradbury said. Snow flurries were recorded at Guyra, about 170 kilometers south of the Queensland border with NSW, on Tuesday. Meanwhile, in NSW the heaviest snow is expected to shift from the southern ranges and Alps to the central ranges by Tuesday morning. The non-alpine falls include around Crookwell, Taralga, Oberon, Orange, Lithgow and possibly the Blue Mountains. By Tuesday night, heaviest snowfalls will shift again to the Upper Hunter and Northern Tablelands, and possibly in Armidale, Guyra and Glen Innes. An offshore low in the Tasman Sea will bring warm air on Wednesday which will restrict snowfalls back to the Alps. Severe weather warnings were issued for parts of Tasmania and Victoria this week, including damaging winds and possible flooding from heavy rain. Senior meteorologist Jonathan Howe said southeastern regions of the country would bear the brunt of a low-pressure system driving a cold snap across the southeast, with strong winds hitting the areas overnight. Wind gusts of 115 km per hour have already been recorded in Wilson's Promontory in Victoria and gusts of more than 100 km per hour were recorded across parts of Victoria and the northwestern Tasmanian coast. Illawarra residents in NSW experienced gusts of more than 80 km per hour and those in the southeast of the state and regions near the ACT experienced rainfall totals of 20 to 40 mm overnight. The Sunshine State is set for a wintry blast for the start of the week, with maximum temperatures of up to 19 C and winds of up to 45 km per hour. Minimum temperatures will remain just below 10 C for the rest of the week, but tops will reach the low 20s. Sydneysiders are in for a cold but mostly sunny week as maximum temperatures remain around the mid to high teens from Tuesday through to the weekend. Minimum temperatures are expected to drop as low as 6 C on Friday. Possible showers are forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday, with up to 1 mm of rain predicted on Tuesday and 4 mm on Wednesday. On Wednesday, large and powerful surf conditions are expected to be hazardous especially for those taking part in coastal activities such as rock fishing, swimming and surfing. Temperatures will plummet in the nation's capital over the coming week with days to remain cloudy and cold as air is trapped by a low-pressure system. Showers are forecast for Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday, with the heaviest falls over the weekend of up to 7 mm of rain. Minimum temperatures will drop to an icy -2 C on Thursday and -3 C on Friday. Residents in Melbourne are in for a cold and wet week. Heavy falls of up to 15 mm is expected on Tuesday before easing to light showers from Wednesday through to the weekend. Maximum temperatures will struggle to climb over 14 C across the week, with lows of just 6 C on the weekend. Meanwhile, snow is expected to fall over elevated areas outside the Victorian Alps with the arrival of a prolonged outbreak of freezing air from Antarctica. A severe weather warning was issued on Tuesday morning for people in parts of East Gippsland and Northeast Forecast Distribute.